Uh, Nirnay, coming to you here. Since you are for re-NEET, the government says that the honest candidates should not suffer for the crimes of others. One may say that's a valid argument. Why should there be re-NEET for everyone? If you are interested in re-NEET, you should be given an option. But why should everyone be subjected to this?
Ma'am, what do we consider a competitive examination? It is considered as a battle. Like हमारे लिए एक battle है. एक हमें जाके हमारे लिए हर एक क्वेश्चन, एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन हमारे लिए एक दुश्मन है जिसे हमें लड़ना है अपने आंसर्स के थ्रू. हमारी माइंड की पूरी स्ट्रेंथ से हमें उसके लिए लड़ना है. हमारी पूरी इमोशनल वेलबींग, हमारा पूरा मेंटल क्वेश्चन वो एक पेपर चेक करता है. अब अगर कईयों के पास, किसी भी के पास उस चीज का एक एडवांटेज है, एक पर्टिकुलर चीज का एडवांटेज आ जाता है उन बच्चों के पास, तो वो एक फेयर बैटल रही नहीं. तो इट इज सेड टू बी कि अगर सबका हो जाएगा तो सबके लिए दोबारा से फेयर बैटल होगी ना. वो एक हम लोगों को तो फेयर बैटल चाहिए. वी डोंट नीड.
So you are of the opinion that wasn't a fair battle, you want a fair battle.
Yes.
Okay, Harsh Mehra and Hitakshi Lalwani, both of them are anti re-NEET or anti retest. What will you tell your friend here? Hitakshi?
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for having me here. According to me, re-NEET is not solution for all, because if we conduct re-NEET, justice for one can lead to injustice of other five, right? And I understand that this was not a fair chance or there was injustice, but बाकी कुछ पेपर लीक कुछ बच्चों को मिला, कुछ पेपर कुछ बच्चों को मिला, बट बच्चों की वजह से क्यों 24 lakhs of aspirants suffer करें? We don't have to consider only aspirants who are preparing from urban areas or who can get quality education, but we have to consider those also who prepare from rural areas or cities where quality education is not available. And if re-NEET will be conducted, it will lead to injustice of those aspirants who are preparing from rural areas, right?
Okay, so I want all four of you to settle it among yourselves as to how, there are a number of them who two are against re-NEET or retest. The indications from the government as far as this affidavit is concerned is clear that that those who are innocent should not suffer for what are the wrongdoings of others. What do you think?
I think we can't separate those who have actually done cheating, and so we deserve a fair chance. Like,
what's your score right now?
my score is 676 at 10K rank.
Yes, so you would manage a good college.
But it's not just about a good college. 5th May ki night ko, I calculated my score. We all were very relieved that I would get a really nice college in my hometown. Now I'm getting rank that is 8K beyond what I've expected. So why would I settle for something if I had deserved more?
Okay. And Harsh, a quick thought from you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for joining me. Ma'am, my opinion is that why would everyone suffer for the malpractice done by some people? And I am from Sonipat and I was giving my exam on 5 May and I was full prepared and I don't have any exam paper. So I was innocent and likewise me, every student gave exam. So it will be injustice for the other people who are innocent.